see.
Where?
I've had quite a few 3 or 4 months, that's for sure. I went camping, and I had a blast. I have video of it, of me going camping. I have some pictures, and I'm going to post them up here on this channel. And I had a blast going up there. It only lasted one day. Only one day. Because I got bumped into a 400-pound bear in my campsite that night. The first night that I got there. So I had to leave. Not good. But anyway, did I have fun? Yes. Did I get to go fishing? Heck yeah. Was it very pretty where I was at? You bet your granny it was. It was nice up there. It was actually nicer than a lot of places that I've been to. It had mountain spring water and everything. So I was like very happy. It was drinkable. And today, from then till now, I've been busy. I've been extremely busy. There goes my tracker for my truck. Yes, I do have a tracking system for my truck. It's also an alarm. I've also done a lot of other things with the truck, and I'm still saving up for my SUV. If you're following me on Instagram or either that Facebook, you will know that I have been looking for a Jeep Wrangler, or Jeep Cherokee, not Wrangler, Cherokee. There is a reason why that I want a Cherokee. There's a lot of reasons why. I have been making sure that it'll be more adequate for me to go in long distances. I'm going to be making it into an overlander. It's going to be a 4-wheel drive. I have been looking at, and there's many of them that are for sale. It's going to be in the 90s or late 90s, early 2000s. They aren't going to be. It's going to be like the country sport. That's what I'm looking for. So, it's not going to be that bad at all. My wife actually has has all this stuff that I've been wanting to get for it. I messed up completely. I totally messed up. Anyway, I've been looking for that, and I've also been catching up on bills. I have very many bills a lot lately, and yeah, it's just been quite a huge part of what I've been doing. I still need to fix that squeak on the brakes. Every time I turn around the corner, something's rubbing up against my brake rotors and making a squeak. So every time I turn left. So anyway, it's been quite a past 2 months, and been drinking coffee, a lot of coffee. My 2 dogs are doing awesome. I've been blessed with those dogs with open arms. I'm helping Ellie right now. She's not doing too well. And Elliot, stubborn as ever, both of them are. So I'm gonna have to get some dog food from here. I know, it's expensive over here at Petco. And yeah, as soon as I'm done here, I have to go get gas and then go back home. It's gonna take me a little bit, but at least it'll be done for the day. Other than that, I might go someplace else. I don't know yet. Depends. So we'll see. I will talk to you guys here in a few minutes after I get some stuff done, and give you guys some updates of what's going to happen in the next couple of months. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys here just in a few. Well, that's closed still. I thought it was 8 o'clock when they opened. It's actually 9 o'clock when they open. I gotta get a new shirt. This one's stretching out just a tad bit. Anyway, I'm gonna go get gas and come back. So, yeah, wish me luck on that one. Here, I'll take you guys with me to go get gas. Yeah, I'll be right back. Alright, let's go get gas. I'm still in the parking lot. Stop, you big beast. Yeah, my brakes are fine. It's just I'm adjusting to my boots all over again. Yes, I am wearing my $150 pair of boots. Yes. I haven't worn them in a while. I still haven't gotten shoot, what haven't I gotten? A new pair of boots? Well, I have gotten these pair of boots. I've gotten these pair of boots, and they have been nice. Very, very nice. And, yeah. They fit me well. That's all I can say. Is it here? Yeah, I think so. Nope, it ain't. It ain't here. I thought they would put this in a through street. Nope, they haven't. It's not a through street. Anyway, what have I been doing? Well, getting lost. Yep, getting lost. I do not enjoy getting lost, but I do every once in a while, and today's one of those days. Yeah, one of those days. Anyway, what else have I been up to besides camping and fishing? Not much, believe it or not. I've been resting, making sure that I stay healthy, and also doing a lot of cardio workout, or whatever you want to call it. And well, I've been doing a lot of workouts, but not very, very much. I'm not going down that street either. I should have. Dang it. Yeah. Like I said, today is not my day. Then you got homeless people. Speaking of homeless people, I've been harassed by homeless people a lot lately. Mainly because that I drive a truck and I own a Samsung S9, and yeah, and I do YouTube videos, so I've been kind of yeah, been harassed a lot. It hasn't been a very good experience a lot lately. but there's another reason why I went camping. To get away from it all. To just relax and chillax. Get my mind all straightened out. Get the internal clock to wind itself again. Anyway, this is what I've been doing, mostly. So, and looking for a vehicle, and going out to eat dinner, and I haven't been sick. I'm not jinxing it. Like they always say, don't jinx it. Or you better not say that again or you will get sick. No, I won't. Because I have faith. And you have to have faith. So, anyway. What is this guy gonna do? Alright. Let's take this one. You guys getting gas? And then I'll go get dog food and then go back home. Oh, sir, excuse me. Okay.
Thank you.
No problem. $66.08. Great. That's a lot of money. Alright. They didn't have my dog food there. But I did get just plain chicken. I don't know if my dogs will like that. They like other kinds of dog food. But we did put them on, both of them on dry and also wet food at the same time. And it seems to be working pretty well. Like I said, my dog Ellie is not doing too swift right now. Tracking my vehicle. Anyway, other than that, I am going to head home. And yeah. Then I'll pick up my wife at lunchtime, and I'm going to have some chicken tonight, or today, I should say, for lunch, because I got chicken for a reason. I found a place that actually sells my Sunkissed candy here in town, and I do need to fix that.
Crap.
Oh, there's a car wreck. Other than that, everything's going great. I've just been taking a chill pill. Peace out, sir. was a big car wreck behind me. I knew there was a car wreck, but I didn't know how bad it was. It looked pretty bad, but you know the safety features they have on these new cars now, that they have the crumple zones. So it could look pretty bad, but it could be a good thing too. But this thing doesn't have any crumple zones. If somebody hits me or worse, I won't hit anybody, but if somebody hits me, I guarantee you it ain't gonna look pretty. I do have a little safety feature. It's called an airbag, but that's about it. Anyway, I'm heading home, and then probably, like I said, pick up my wife, go for lunch, go back home, and take the rest of the day off until tomorrow. And tomorrow's another day. What I mean by that is that tomorrow I will be going to Winco for snacks. Today was just one of those days where I wanted to get food, but they didn't have any food. They didn't have chicken, they didn't have beef, they didn't have nothing at Walmart, which as I was very, very disappointed in. And Target on Mooney, we have two Targets here in town, 2 or 3, and both of them are not very good in the gluten-free section anymore. They used to be, not anymore. This Target over here on Mooney, they're actually doing renovations. I mean, they are redoing everything. And other than that, that's really not that bad. That's shoot. There's about 10 or 12 geese over there that's going south. They're running south. Anyway, not very many places have gluten-free here in town anymore. I went to Watson's, they're too expensive. So really not a good idea to go anywhere to get gluten-free food. If you want gluten-free food, you better go to Fresno or go to San Jose or LA or the bigger cities to get gluten-free food, because they have a wider selection. And I'm very surprised they didn't have any gluten-free foods over there in Tulare. Well, last time we went, I was very disappointed in that one, because I was trying to find gluten-free foods for that one too, as well. So they just didn't have anything gluten-free. Anyway, food's done for today. Everything else is done for dogs too. And I'm going to have to say see you later until tomorrow, because I'm going to do a vlog tomorrow, and probably be in this truck as usual. So alright, see you manana. So yeah, this is my usual camping trip. I went to Isham Campground. It wasn't really that bad, but I had a bear go into my campsite. Was not a fun, well, it was fun, but it wasn't fun when that bear came in at 2 o'clock in the morning to wake me up. So yes, I do go camping. It's moments like this that I do miss. Just the wind blowing. No people, nobody saying anything, no nothing. So just listen. Got the fire going. And also steak and eggs with a bunch of bees. I hate bees. But fire looks good in front of my tent. Loving every minute of it. And here's where the bear came in. Yes, it was close. A little too close for comfort. But anyway, I had a great time. And the day before that was actually more awesome because I got to go fishing. So basically, this was the second day that I hauled out, packed up and left, picked up all my trash and everything and headed home. So thanks for watching my videos. Have a good one.